This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Remove the engine cover. Loosen the hose clamps at each end. Detach the upper radiator hose retaining clip, then disconnect the intake tube and resonator ports and remove it from the engine. To remove the main drive belt, rotate the tensioner with a box end wrench to release belt tension. Slide the belt off of an accessible pulley, then release the tensioner to its stopping point. Remove the belt from the engine. To replace the AC compressor belt, first remove the lower engine splash shield where equipped. Rotate the belt tensioner with a 3/8 inch drive and ratchet to release the belt tension. Note that it is easier to access the AC compressor belt from underneath the engine. Slide the belt off of an accessible pulley, then release the tensioner to its stopping point. Remove the belt from the engine. Install the belt loosely over the pulleys, then rotate the tensioner to allow the belt to be slipped onto the pulley. Once the belt is fitted around the pulleys, release the tensioner to apply tension to the belt. Make sure the belt is engaged completely into the pulley grooves. Install the lower engine splash shield, where equipped, and tighten the fasteners securely. To install the main drive belt, install the belt loosely over the pulleys in the correct routing, then rotate the tensioner to allow the belt to be slipped onto the pulley. Once the belt is fitted around all the pulleys, release the tensioner to apply tension to the belt. Make sure the belt is engaged completely into the pulley grooves. Install the intake tube and resonator assembly ports onto the throttle body and air filter housing. Also attach the upper radiator hose clip to the intake tube. Tighten the hose clamps at each end securely.